such a heinous, horrific, horrendous case of this little child who was sexually assaulted by a leader of TRS, and then she dies by suicide. Apparently, he would come drunk every night and rape her. What is going on in Telangana? Why is it that nothing has been done to establish a women's commission?
Yes, Sudhaji, it's really, really pathetic because today I met the family of that girl. They are in a position not, they can't even talk. What's happened with their daughter, they don't understand what is happening with them. They don't understand. They have been threatened by the TRSP. To get to the attention of all the people, because I'm glad the national media like India Ahead has taken this issue up. Couple of women police stations in Telangana, especially in Hyderabad itself, they have been manned by male officers, male inspectors. I can name you a few, like the one in West Kukatpalli or the one in Madhapur. There you have got male officers who are the inspectors of police there, and it's a women police station. How do you expect the girl to get justice there? Whether it was the girl that we are talking right now, or whether it was Aminpur issue earlier, whether it was Sirsilla issue earlier, everywhere you find that there is a lot of lacunas from the law side, law and order side. Police doesn't, even in the case of an honor killing that has happened 2 days back, Sudhaji, the girl approaches 100.
Right. Yes.
She doesn't get proper response.
Avanti and Hemant, we took up that
the
issue
girl
as well.
approaches
Yes,
100,
no
she doesn't
response
get...
was, yes, absolutely.
It's so pathetic.
Yeah,
and we have been fighting.
I don't know what the TRS government is actually doing. We can keep making laws, we can make political speeches, but what Professor Tirunagari just said is shocking, that a lot of police stations which are supposed to be manned by women actually are manned by men.
I just named a few.
This is a very, very serious transgression.
Sudhaji, I just named a few. There are a lot many in Telangana like that. I just gave you an example of 2 police stations, and even you just go on the net and just check.
Right.
Everywhere. And the point is, we have been fighting on this. Last week also we sat for a discussion. Yesterday we just held a candle rally in support of a girl who was brutally raped and murdered, and we get arrested for that.
Right.
The earlier week we asked for women commission, we get arrested for that. We asked for a women commission in Telangana, we get arrested for that.
And Professor, absolutely, Professor, if you recall, you and I had spoken about the same issue when we had brought up Ananya's case. But here, we are talking about this hapless girl who worked as a domestic helper at a senior TRS leader's home and lost her life because he was raping her every night after getting drunk. I have to take a short break here, Mr. Khan and Professor Tirunagari. I'll be back to continue the discussion with you. Stay with us.